DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this Mercedes C-Class diesel. It's the AMG Sport. Absolutely fantastic condition. Literally has just arrived half an hour ago. So just give it a quick clean to get it marketed. Got front park distance control, full AMG body styling kit, diamond cut alloy wheels. They will be refurbished and look like brand spanking new with no marks. We'll probably do them diamond cut black instead of grey because it really pops the car. As you can see, it's in lovely condition as it's just come. Got a lovely bigger rear diffuser, park distance control, got the twin exhausts. Looks lovely in black actually. C220 AMG. Inside, got the leather, AMG carpet mats, electric windows, electric mirrors, heated seats. It's got satellite navigation, just started up. It's done 96,626 miles. Reverse camera as well. Climate control. Passenger heated seat. Paddle shift on the gearbox. Cruise control. Auto headlights. I believe it's got BlueTEC connectivity for phone and media. Full media pack. Navigation, DAB radio. It's really in lovely condition. It's going to be serviced, going to be MOT'd. DJH are full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.